So, hello and welcome. How are you all? I hope you are good and doing great. I, Sunil Chaudhary, welcome you all on our online platform. In this lecture, we are going to just learn how to find square of any number. But in this particular series, our main focus will be on the number ending with 5. Okay. So, before starting lecture, have to keep some points in your mind that will be very useful you to get familiar with Vedic math. The first point, this method is only applicable for numbers ending with 5, like 15, 25, 35, and we will focus only on two-digit number in this lecture. In next lecture, we will look at three-digit number and ending with 5. And the second and the most important thing, Vedic maths is all about practice and understanding concepts. It simply means more practice, and if you understand more concepts, you have to be familiar with both fundamental method and second one, that is Vedic maths method. Both method you have to keep in your mind, and you know very well more practice will give you more accuracy and more speed. And keep in your mind, to the frank, that you can't be a Vedic math expert overnight or over days. It's all about your practice, your dedication, and your focus on Vedic math. So follow me and my method. I swear that you will be expert after practice, and you will enjoy this all method because these all method are practically. And when you complete this lecture, you will be able to solve these all problems mentally. It means without pen and paper. Okay, I promise you will be able. Now start our lecture. Here ordinary method to find square is also given, and on the other hand Vedic method is also given. First we will look at this ordinary method that is very common to our mathematics. Simply two-digit multiplication. That's the method. So the first step, we will multiply 5 with 5. We'll get 25. That 5 will be written down this 5, and 2 will be carried as carry. Okay. Next, again we will multiply this 5 with 2. We will get 1 and 0, 10. And now we will add 10, and that carry we will get 12, and now 12 will be written behind this white line. Why the reason we are not putting any carry? Because this is the last step to solve multiplication. Now we are moving to the next step. In this step we will simply multiply 2 with 5. We will get 1, 0, 10. Once again we will keep 0 down 2, and 1 will be carried as carry. Okay, now next we will multiply 2 with 2. We will get 4, and this 4 will be added. We will get 5 as, and this 5 will be written 1. Now the last step, we will simply sum all these. 5 will be as is 5, 2 and 0 will result as 2, 1 and 5 will be result as 6. Okay, now you all are excited about Vedic method. that is covered in next series. Sorry, next slide. Ordinary method is given, we have already discussed. Now we are moving to the Vedic method. We have took same example to get better idea. Now this 25, we have to break 25 in two parts. One part as 2 and the second part as 5. Now we will multiply 5 with 5. The reason, because we have to find the square of 5, and we will get 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Or simply we can say that 25 is the square of 5, or we can orally solve this, because I know some of you are new to the Vedic math, so I am covering all. Okay, now next 25 will be written on the right hand side or on one side. Now we are moving to the last and very important step. Now we have to add 1 to the remaining digit. That's the rule. We have to add, and we will get 3. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Now we will simply multiply that 2 with 3, we will get as 6. Okay, now this 6 will be written before this 25, and we will get as 625. You can see that ordinary method and Vedic method answer is equal or same. I know this may be looking something like new, or you are not getting point, but when we will solve 2 to 3 example, you will get familiar with this method. Okay, now again we are starting with 35. In this method we are just going to cover 35. Step is same. Break 35 into two parts. The first part is 3, the second part is 5. Now we have to find the square of 5. You can find orally, or simply you can multiply 5 with 5, you will get 25. Okay, 25 will be written on one side. Okay, now we have to add plus 1. Last step, we have to add plus 1 to remaining digit. So we will get 1 and 3 as 4, because 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we will simply multiply the 3 and the 4. We will get as 12. So our answer will be 1225 or 1225. Both answers are same. Now we are moving to the next example. Now we are going to just cover 55. Our main focus is to cover all the numbers that are ending with 5 in this lecture. Now we move to the next, that is 55. The step is same. Simply break 55 into two parts. First is 5, second is 5. What we will get? 5 and 5. Now we have to find the square of the 5. The method is 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Okay, 25 will be written on one side, and now we are going to start with the second method. That is the second step. We have to add 1 to the 5. We will get 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6, and we will multiply 5 and 6, we will get as 30. And now this 30 will be written on, and we will get 3025, and our answer will be 3025. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Now I will try to cover in fast, in speed. Okay, so we are moving to the next example. Okay, so now the answer should be like this. We will first write 75 as it is. 75 will be written down in two parts, 7 and 5. The square of 7 is the square of 5 is 25, and 1 will be added to 7, and we will get as 8. 8 7 ja How much? 56. So is 5625. Okay, I repeat, those who are not getting my point, we will break 5 into two parts. Oh, sorry, 75 into two parts, 7 and 5. First we will find the square of 5, and then we will add 1 to that 7. We will get 8, and 8 7 ja 56, our answer. Now we are moving to the next. That example is 9 5 95. The method is same. We will break 95 into two parts, 5 9, that is 9 5. Now the square of 5, that is equal to 25. Now the method, we will add 1 to the 9, we will get 10. Our answer will be, we will multiply 9 and 10, and we will get 90. So our answer will be 9025. I hope you have get understanding or familiar with this formula. Okay, now the next and the last example for this lecture, we are covering 105. First we will break 105 into two. Very important. So first 10 will be written on left side, 5 will be written on right hand side. Now we will find the square of 5, will get as 25. Okay, now the next step is, we have to add 1 10. What we will get when we add 1 at 11? And now we have to just multiply 10 and 11, and we will get as 110. So our answer will be 110 and 25. And if we count in words, that is how much? 11,025. Okay, now these are questions for your practice. You have to practice all these questions using Vedic maths method, not ordinary method. I keep this series continue. Okay, before ending this lecture, I can tell you orally, the square of 4 5 will be, 5 square is 25, the 4 square is, sorry, 4 next digit is 5, that is 2025. Now the next 65, the next digit to the 6 is 7, 6 7 is 42, the answer will be 4225. Now the next 75, the next digit after 7 is 8, or we add 1 to 7, we will get 8, 8 7 ja 56, the answer will be 5625. Now the next 85, we will add 1 to 8, we will get 9, 9 8 ja 72, and the answer will be 7225. Okay, keep learning. If you have any doubt, our helpline number is given, and WhatsApp us whenever we are free. We'll give just time. If you have any doubt, feel free to. If you enjoyed the video, like. The video may be on different platform, so please follow whether you are looking on which platform. Okay, and second thing, if you are a teacher and you want to learn complete Vedic mathematics or training, then please contact on this number. We will give you full detail that how to be a Vedic math, or complete teacher training will be given, all the study material, softwares. Thank you and have a